Understanding, met his, her end. A guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language. Met his, her end. This phrase carries a lot of meaning and is used in various contexts. Let's dive into understanding what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, met his, her end, is a somewhat formal or literary way of saying that someone has died. It's often used to describe the end of someone's life in a somewhat indirect or euphemistic manner. This phrase can carry various connotations depending on the context, sometimes neutral, sometimes dramatic. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. In a news report, the famous explorer met his end in the jungles of the Amazon. Here, it implies an unfortunate or unexpected death. 2. In a novel, the villain met his end at the hands of the hero. This can suggest a sense of justice or finality. 3. In everyday conversation, my old car finally met its end. The engine broke down completely. Used metaphorically to imply the end of something's useful life, not just for people. There are several phrases similar to met his, her end, such as passed away, came to an end, bit the dust, informal, kicked the bucket, informal and humorous. Understanding these synonyms can help you better grasp the nuances of English expressions related to end of life. When using met his, her end, consider the tone and formality of your conversation or writing. It's more common in written English, especially in news reports, literature, and historical accounts. In everyday speech, simpler terms like died or passed away are more common. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, met his, her end. English is full of such interesting expressions, and learning them can add richness to your language skills. Remember, language learning is a journey. Enjoy every step of it. See you in the next video.